Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to send a post to someone through direct message on X. Whether you're sharing a funny tweet, an important update, or just something that caught your attention, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can easily access your home feed and profile. Once the app is open, scroll through your timeline and find the post you want to share. It could be a post from someone you follow or one that appears under your recommended section. Now, take a look just below that post. You'll see a few icons, one for replying, one for reposting, and one for liking. Next to them, you'll spot the share icon, which looks like an arrow pointing upward and to the right. Go ahead and tap on that share icon. A small menu will pop up with several sharing options. From here, select Send via direct message. This is the option that lets you privately share the post with someone instead of reposting it publicly to your followers. After you tap that, X will show your list of contacts and recent conversations. You can choose one person or even multiple recipients depending on who you want to send the post to. For an easier search, you can type their username in the search bar at the top. Once you've chosen your recipient, tap the send button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. The post will instantly be sent as a direct message and the recipient will see it in their inbox with the original post attached. And that's how simple it is to share a post privately on X. It's a great way to send interesting updates, news, or just a funny tweet to your friends without posting it publicly. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment to like the video and explore more quick tips on how to use X more effectively.